Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Stanley here again, and today I'm back with a new YouTube video. I'm talking about why Ghanaian youth must start investing in cryptocurrency. A lot of people might have heard of this, but then I'm focusing on the Ghanaian youth because I'm a Ghanaian. And then I will show you reasons why you must invest in cryptocurrency in 2021. So let's go. So, hello guys, it's Stanley here again, and I'm talking about the cryptocurrency and why the Ghanaian youth must start investing into cryptocurrencies. And I think a lot of people don't understand what a cryptocurrency is, and I'll simply explain what a cryptocurrency is. I'll just say it's a virtual money, okay? It's a virtual money. And as compared to, let's say, um, it's an online money. Let's make it like that, an online money that you can use to purchase stuffs online through your wallet like blockchain and Coinbase and other stuffs. So it's a lucrative business sector that a Ghanaian can invest in. Now, if you want to invest into let's say cryptocurrencies, you must actually do your research about cryptocurrencies. Now, there are a lot of cryptocurrencies that are coming up into the system, and if you want to succeed in cryptocurrencies, you must be first a researcher. You must research about the cryptocurrencies. A lot of people fail at cryptocurrencies because they fail to make researches about the cryptocurrencies. If you don't make a research about the cryptocurrencies, you will actually buy or invest into a wrong cryptocurrency, which might appear to be a bullish investment, or kind of you'll be expecting a bullish move, but then it actually enters into a bearish move. So it's better, or it's important and very crucial for you to do a thorough research about the cryptocurrency you are investing in. And now there are a lot of things that I've seen in a course of a year that a lot of Ghanaians are actually connecting to. A lot of Ghanaians have heard about these cryptocurrencies, but then they are investing wrongly. They are investing wrongly. A lot of people are following what we call trends. Now, as you can see, I'm on crypto coin market cap, and is one of the platforms that I use to do researches on cryptocurrencies that I can invest in and all that. So there are a lot of sites that I use, but then this is a beginner tutorial, or a beginner video that I'm making. Is my first time talking about cryptocurrencies, so I will just introduce the coin market cap to you for your research, and a lot to study the market, the high volumes and all that. There are a lot of things into it. So there are a lot of people that follow trends in investing into cryptocurrencies, and I think it's a bad idea when it comes to investing into cryptocurrencies. And then a lot of people also listen to people, friends, oh, go and buy this kind of cryptocurrency, it is going high. No, you have to make it a point to make research on your own. In that, it is not easy. Anybody that tells you that cryptocurrency investment is easy is a lie. There is nothing easy on this earth. But then if you are committed to it, if you give time to it, you are going to enjoy. You are going to enjoy from the crypto market, because it's a new market that is being introduced into the world, and a lot of people are now are now entering into it. I think maybe overseas they've been into cryptocurrencies for a while, but like Africa, we are now accepting the cryptocurrency. So it is a new market to us. That is the reason why you have to research. That is the reason why you have to delve deep into researching about the coins that you want to invest in. Otherwise, you will lose your money. And now, when you want to invest into cryptocurrencies, you must think long term, not short term. A lot of people invest into cryptocurrencies with a short term mentality that I'm investing, and in the next 1 month I'm going to make $5,000, I'm going to make $10,000. It can happen. I'm not saying it can happen. There are a lot of people that buy cryptocurrencies, invest into a certain kind of cryptocurrency, and within a short period of time, they gain money, or they gain an increase on their um their their investment. So it is possible, but then I think when entering into the cryptocurrency market, you should be a long-term minded person. You should think about the long term, not a short term. Because then, if you are thinking short term, then you are going to actually invest into a wrong cryptocurrency. So let me show you something now. Why the cryptocurrency market is very good, and then I will end it there. I think I'll do a part 2 about this, and then I'll talk more about what type of currencies or cryptocurrencies that you can invest in for the long term, and also gain a little interest or profit on them. So as we all know, the first cryptocurrency that we ever heard was the BTC, which is the Bitcoin. It is actually one of the cryptocurrencies that we heard more often. Back in the day, we used to hear about BTC, but it was the one dominating the system at that time. But as of now, we have a lot of cryptocurrencies available right now. A lot of them available. Now, when I believe that when BTC came, it wasn't around this price, which is $61,361 dollars. It wasn't around that price. I think when it came, it was around 0.00. I can't recall the dollars that was in, but it was around that 0.00 something. So imagine, I think 5 years ago or 6 years ago, if you heard about BTC and BTC was a cryptocurrency at then, and you decided to invest even $100 into that cryptocurrency. So let's take it for instance. Let's take it. Where's my calculator? So let's say BTC was 0.00050 dollars. Okay, and then you actually bought, let's say, how many so one BTC is equal to one Bitcoin is equal to 0.00050 $0.00050. So now let's say you just bought $100. You didn't have enough money. You just bought $100 at that time, and you decided to just invest $100 into that BTC, or let's say Bitcoin at that time. Let's take note of the amount 0.0050. Let's make it so 100. Sorry, why am I? $100 divided by 0.00050 dollars. You have about 200,000. So you'll be getting about 200,000 BTC, Bitcoin, if I'm right. you'll be getting 200,000 Bitcoin, as at that time when it was 0.00050 dollars. If you invested only $100, sorry for the CDs. So let's take it for instance, $100 to the CDs. Okay, you invested $100. So let's say at that time even dollars wasn't around six something. So let's say you invested into the BTC, Bitcoin, for let's say 500 Ghana cedis as at that time, which is $100 as at that time. Let's say 500 cedis, and you get what's the amount we got? You get 200,000 Bitcoin. Now in 2021, one Bitcoin is $61,549. 61,500, it goes up and down. So let's say $61,536. So 200,000 BTC times the market price right now, 61,536 dollars. Wow, you are around I think 12. You you are that is a billion. That is $1 billion. You are now $12 billion rich. You are now $12 billion rich. And if we are to check that in 2021, $12 billion in Ghana cedis, you will realize that, let me copy 1230 72 000 5 zeros 00000. Check your amount in Ghana cedis. You are running in, let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So 9 zeros, which is I think a billion. So 74 billion Ghana cedis, with a lot of other digits below. So 74 billion Ghana cedis as at 2016 or something, or 2015, you were able to invest $100 for BTC around $0.00050, which was around 500 cedis. And after 6 years time, you are earning 74 billion Ghana cedis. So that's why I say that BTC, or cryptocurrencies, sorry, not BTC, cryptocurrencies, when you are entering into it, you must think long term. You must think long term. Invest into the cryptocurrency with a long term mindset. Because right now, look at Ethereum. I think Ethereum came few years ago, and it's also running at 4,315. So those who purchased Ethereum will also be enjoying as at now. Look at Binance Coin. They are also enjoying 523. I learned someone sold that time. It was, I think, $6. Someone sold his Binance Coins for I think $600. He had I think 100 Binance Coins, and sold it to someone for $600, because at that time it was $6. So look at right now, one Binance Coin is $523. So imagine you have 200,000 of this Binance Coin. If you bought it earlier on, you would be a millionaire. So guys, I'm a Ghanaian like you. I just got exposed into this cryptocurrency stuff, and I'm still researching into it. And you don't stop learning. You don't stop learning. You have to continue researching and keep on researching till you get more knowledge, and you keep on learning every day. So guys, I'll be coming back with new YouTube videos about these cryptocurrencies and the type of currencies that you can invest and make money in a short term and also in a long term, and also ways to earn money with this cryptocurrency stuff. So till we meet again.